Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we unravel the messy ball of yarn that is corporate finance. Today we're diving into an amendment filing from Algorhythm Holdings, Inc. And let me tell you, this one's about a little bit of a do-over. So, what exactly is this filing all about? Well, Algorhythm Holdings, Incorporated, or ALGO, as some might know them, had to go back and add some important financial pictures to a report they filed earlier. Think of it like realizing you forgot to include those crucial charts in your school project after you already handed it in, but way more important and with way more public scrutiny. Basically, on May 2, 2025, the company, through its subsidiary Semicab Holdings, Incorporated, bought a significant chunk of another company. Specifically, they acquired 99.99% of an Indian company called SMCB Solutions. Private Limited, this is a big deal because it means Algorhythm Holdings, Incorporated, is now a major owner in SMCB, impacting their overall financial standing. The initial report filed back in May talked about this purchase agreement, but Algorhythm Holdings Incorporated realized they needed to provide more details, the kind of financial information that investors and analysts really dig into this amended report. This 8 KDR is all about adding those missing financial statements and pro forma financials. Pro forma sounds fancy, but it just means as if the deal had happened at an earlier date, giving a clearer picture of the combined company, S financial health. Now, let's get to the meat of it, the financial disclosure. This amendment includes key financial information for SMCB. They v-filed the audited balance sheets for SMCB for both the 31st of March 2025 and the 31st of March 2024. These balance sheets show what SMCB owned, what it owed, and the value belonging to its owners at those specific dates. We also get to see their statements of operations, which is essentially their profit and loss statement, covering the years ending the 31st of March 2025 and 2024. This tells us how much money they made and how much they spent over those periods. They've also added the statements of shareholders, equity and cash flows, which provide even more detail on how money moved in and out of the business and how the owner's stake changed. Beyond SMEB, S-own historical financials, Algorhythm Holdings Incorporated has also provided pro forma combined financial information. This includes an unaudited pro forma condensed combined balance sheet as of the 31st of March 2025. This glimpse into the what-if scenario as of that date is crucial for understanding the potential impact of the acquisition. We also get an unaudited pro forma condensed combined statement of operations for the 3 months ending the 31st of March 2025 and for the entire year ended the 31st of December 2024. These pro forma statements essentially merge the financials of Algorhythm Holdings Incorporated and Semicab Holdings Incorporated with SMCBs as if the deal had already taken place. It is a way to estimate the financial picture of the new combined entity. The filing also conveniently lists the exhibits. We see the original equity purchase agreement from May 2nd, the foundational document for this acquisition. There is also a promissory note possibly indicating how the purchase was financed, and an amended and restated limited liability company agreement for Semicab Holdings Incorporated, suggesting some restructuring happened around the deal. And of course you see a consent from the accounting firm Berkowitz Pollack Brandt advises CPCPAs. This is standard practice, confirming their involvement in auditing or reviewing these financial statements. So what is the bottom line here? Algorhythm Holdings Incorporated is filling in the blanks on a significant acquisition. This amended filing provides the necessary financial muscle to understand the full impact of buying SMCB. It shows a company actively working to be transparent and compliant, even if it means correcting an initial oversight. Now, looking at the bigger picture, Algorhythm Holdings Incorporated is clearly pursuing a growth strategy by acquisition in the Indian market through SMCB. The success of this move will heavily depend on how well they integrate SMCB's operations, and if the projected pro forma financials translate into actual positive results. A key risk here is always the integration process itself, ensuring there are no major cultural clashes or operational disruptions. Another risk might be the economic conditions in India impacting SMCB's performance. However, the proactive step of filing this amendment shows a commitment to clear reporting, which is a good sign for investors. They're not trying to hide anything, just get the story told right. Alright, that is our breakdown of Algorhythm Holdings Incorporated's amended filing. What is your take on this acquisition and how do you think it will impact the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more corporate dissections. And don't forget to check out our Discord community linked in the description for more in-depth discussions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Corporate Decoder.